Hello, in front of me I've got Opel Mocca. In this video I'll show you how to enable Auto Connect function for AutoPro X. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Make sure that your AutoPro X device is connected with car via USB port that supplies power. Now, on your smartphone, download an E-Sale AutoPro X app. Find Auto Connect. Switch it on, agree, select AutoPro X and allow permission. AutoPro X Auto Connect function is now enabled. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.